To solve these equations simultaneously, I will first of all label this as equation 1 and equation 2. On the left hand side of equation 2, you can rewrite this as log x over y, and the right hand side 1 should be transformed to log form. Now first of all, you should know that log equations in which the base are not given is automatically in base 10. These log expressions are in base 10. Now because they are in base 10, to transform 1, we are going to take 1 as log 10 base 10. So I'm using base 10 because the base of this log is in base 10. So because on the two sides of the equation the bases are the same, I can equate x over y to 10. So x over y equals 10 since the bases are the same. Now when you cross multiply, x becomes 10y. So I'll call this equation 3. The next thing is to substitute 10y for x in equation 1. So replace x here with what? With 10y. So that gives us 10y square minus y square equals 11. Now 10y square is 100y square minus y square equals 11. 100y square minus y square is 99y square equals 11. Now divide both sides by 99 and y square equals 11 over 99. Now 11 over 99 is 1 over 9, so y square equals 1 over 9. To get y, take the square root of 1 over 9 and that gives you 1 over 3. So y is 1 over 3. So to get x, substitute 1 over 3 for y in equation 3. Equation 3 here states that x equals 10y. So replace y with 1 over 3. 10 times 1 over 3. Therefore x equals 10 over 3. Y is 1 over 3 and x is 10 over 3.